What's going on? Showtime here. You can see this is a air conditioning unit. On top of that store that I was on the other video I tore the roof off or whatever. I cut the roof off and fixed it up. I'll show you that later, the end result of it. But now I'm up on the roof doing this air conditioning unit. Same store, rolling the store. I'm up here on the roof here. You can see there's people out here or whatever. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do this thing here. He's pretty much cleaned it up. This thing is a freaking mess. I mean, it's got all that calcium buildup and all that on the bottom. I took the floaty off already. It kind of cleaned it up. It was pretty built up along with everything else. As you can see the panels there. Anyway, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put a new bearing on there because it's making some kind of noise and pretty much the bearing. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean it all up and get the hoses up here, or the lines, the water lines, get them cleaned up. You can see it's got a bunch of crap inside of there. So I'm going to clean that up. I don't know about putting new pads on there, but I'm going to clean all that up. You can see, look at that. Wow. So we'll clean that up and we'll see what the heck we get. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and, I already changed this one. I did the video kind of late, but anyway, this was a used one that I had right there. It's still good. It's just you know, it's got a little whatever dirt, whatever on it. But anyway, this is a good one here. And all I did was take off the two screws. This is just two screws that were here. It's got the built-in nut down here at the bottom. So all you got to do is put a new screw in. These are new screws that I put in because the other ones just kind of fell apart. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. It's pretty simple. Again, take these two screws off, slide the shaft out, or the bearing out, and then slide the other one back in. All right. But yeah, that's what we're doing, man. We're cleaning up here. Look at this thing right here. All that killed it. You know, this right here, it keeps I mean, everything from flowing right. You know, of course, that's a given. It keeps everything from just kind of, how do you expect to keep cool in here if you got a bunch of dirt and all this debris down here? So you got to clean this thing up here. Not cool at all. All right. Maybe I'll change the belt on it. I seen that it had might have a crack on it. I'm not sure. I didn't really check it out. But of course, you want to do is unplug it first. I unplugged it from here. It's off from the bottom of the store, but I also unplug it from the actual, you know, from the cord here. All right. So you know, we don't get no accidents or anything like that. I got my I had my gloves on, and I got my safety glasses on. Safety at all times. Hey, let me do what I got to do here, and then I'll get back to you, and then see what's going on here. All right. Hey, I'm back. Hey, I just wanted to show you guys this that I'm cleaning up here. Man, this stuff is on there. Look at this pump right here. As you can see, the pump has all that calcium on there. Look at that. You can just kind of knock it off with the. Just hitting it with this screwdriver here. Look at that. See all that coming off? You gotta get all that cleaned up. You gotta, you know, kind of keep it clean. If not, these things are not gonna work very long. They'll get plugged up and they'll burn out. So yeah, it's just it's not that hard. I mean, just get up on the roof or wherever you got these. This is I guess one of the evaporative air conditioners, swamp cooler, whatever you want to call it. I mean, just gotta keep it kind of maintenance up a little bit, and they'll go forever. But not if you got them, you know, looking like this. It's not gonna go very long. So, or actually, it looks like it did go very long. Anyway, I'm gonna clean this up and Again, I'll get back to you. Look at this. I kind of cleaned this up a little bit already. It's just that it goes around here. It's the cover that goes around there to keep any debris and stuff from either. All right, I'll get back to you. All right, I want to show you guys these water lines right here where the water goes through from the pump. You can see this buildup right here. What you got to do is just kind of pull these off, just like that, and you can see all that buildup in there. Okay, I already cleaned all the other ones. I just want to show you guys this one. You can see all that. Look at that. It's just, and then you kind of hit it against something, and you can see all that coming out. Look at that. See all that? It's just all buildup. It's like calcium. It's we live out here in the country out here. Well, stores out here in the country, and I live down the street. But look at that. Okay. So what I did, I just grabbed myself. I don't know. I had a little blade in my pocket, and I just scraped it off, and kind of cleaned it up. And look at that. That's a lot of buildup there. How you expect that thing to work right? Anyway, I just kind of cleaned them up, and here they are here. You know, they're not the greatest, but they're cleaned up. They're you can actually blow through them if you had to, or you can shoot some water. This is the little screen that was on the pump, water pump, and so we're just kind of moseying right along here. I'm gonna clean the bottom out, and I guess I'll clean some of these the covers here, and then yeah, it's just about maintenance, man. You just got to keep it cleaned up. If you don't keep it cleaned up, guess what? It's not going to last you very long. I can tell you that. Here's the bottom of the pump. I took the screen off, kind of cleaned it up. Looks good. It's all right. Okay, I'll get back with you when I'm done here, and we'll see how it works. Alrighty? Okay, let me finish up what I'm doing. I'll clean the bottom right there and grease it up and get it going. I'll get back to you.